Hello everyone, and welcome to Part 2 of the MIL-HDBK-217 module in Item Toolkit. In Part 1 we learned how to start a new project, how to add a new MIL-217 system, adding blocks and components to represent our system, updating each component by adjusting the physical and application parameters to suit our requirements, and obtain the failure rate and MTBF results. So, in this video, let me show you how to generate a failure rate report for a MIL-217 system. Let's open an existing project and let's generate a report for this particular MIL-217 system. We could either select the system node here in the system window or here in the project window. We then select the file menu option print preview and then reports. Now we can see the report generator open up with all the available templates for this particular system that we are working on. So, we can select one of the predefined templates and click on Preview. We will see the results for our system displayed in a tabular report format. As you can see, this particular report is grouped, whereby we have a new page for every block in the system, and all the components within that particular block is listed with the block header showing us the environment and the temperature and so on. We can now send this report directly to the printer or PDF right via this button on the toolbar, or we can choose to save the report in any electronic format in this list. This list is very comprehensive and allows you to export the report to PDF or Excel or rich text format, as well as databases. The most popular format is PDF, and once selected, you have the choice to export all pages. You can then give the PDF document a location and a file name. Here, we will save this on our desktop. Now I'm going to show you how to design our own report template. For this, we would first go to the Templates tab and then expand the MIL-HDBK-217 tables to find the table of contents that we need for our report. Let's select a few parameters from the General Parameters table. Let's add columns for our report such as name, part number, category description, quantity, failure rate, N times failure rate, percent contribution, and finally MTBF. Once we are done, we would click on Save and give this report template a unique name. Let's see what this first draft of our new report template looks like. We go back to the Selection tab and expand the MIL-217 node and see that our new template is right at the bottom of this list. Let's select this template and see what the results for our system look like. Not bad for the first draft. Let's improve this report by making it more presentable. We would do this via the Customize tab. Now we would expand the MIL-HDBK-217 node and select our new report template. Once selected, we would select the top node in the right side of the window. This is so that we can enter the report name and make background changes if we need to. Let's change our report header to MIL-HDBK-217 failure rate report and then change the color of the background to yellow. Now we can take a look at each column and adjust the column width to suite. The column measurements are in TWIPs or spaces, so depending on how wide we require them to be, we would adjust this number. Let's enter 1000 for each just to see what the report would look like. So now I have entering 1000 for each of these fields and tabbing out for them to be recorded. Once I am done with all of the fields, then I can go ahead and save this template. Now that the template is saved, I can simply click on the Preview tab to see the changes. As you can see, the report looks pretty good now, and with maybe a little bit more adjustment, it would be ideal for all of my future projects. Each report template is saved as a single file on your hard drive in the same folder as the application folder, subfolder reports. You can then share this file with other colleagues who wish to create reports for their systems so that all your work will be consistent within your department. I hope this tutorial on MIL-HDBK-217 reports has been useful and look forward to seeing you in Part 3 when I will show you how to import your bill of material.